Model, 2006 Ford Transit 2.4 TDdi 90PS 350L long wheelbase, fully working cherry picker needs clutch grin. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 89,359. Engine, 2,402 cc 2.4 TD. Transmission, 5-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect, it just has no drive, it selects all the gears perfectly but just does not move. We suspect the clutch pressure plate need replacing, engine sounds good and the cherry picker system works perfectly, starstruck. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, fully working cherry picker starstruck. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.